And today's one question is a geometric problem. And here one semicircle is given, and inside the semicircle, rectangle A, B, C, D, and a square D, E, F, G is given. Here, side of a square DE is equal to the one side of a rectangle CD. CD is equal to BA cut. Here, the angle theta is to be found out in triangle DAG. Now see the solution of this problem. See, in a triangle DAG, theta is to be found out. If I take sine theta here, then sine theta will equal to DZ is perpendicular or a height of a triangle ADG over hypotenuse AD. Okay. It is a square, so suppose it is x, then x, x, and x. So it means sine theta is equal to x upon AD. Now, only question is, find the value of AD in terms of x. So if we find the value of AD in terms of x, then it is always easy to find the value of AD. So focus on how to find the value of AD in terms of x. Now see, for this purpose, if I take this line CE, CE you can say like a chord of this semicircle. Okay, and now if I connect OE, then O is the center, so definitely O is going to be radius, and similarly OC is also radius. Right? When OC radius of a same semicircle, so definitely OC will equal to OE. OC will equal to OE. It means in triangle OCE, OC is equal to OB, it means angle C will equal to angle E because it is an isosceles triangle, right? And in this triangle CDE, in triangle CDE, DE is equal to DC. So it means here, this DCE, angle DCE will equal to angle DEC. It means when this angle is equal to this and this angle is equal to this, so obvious है कि ये जो this minus this means इनको अगर मैं हटा तो it is very clear ये एंगल अगर अल्फा है तो ये एंगल भी क्या होगा अल्फा. Correct? Means this angle is equal to this. Correct. And now see, what is the role of this? Look here. Actually, it is alpha. It is alpha. And you know, in a square, the angle is 90 degrees. So this will be an angle E will be equal to 90 minus alpha. And here, this angle will also be equal to 90 minus alpha. Now draw a perpendicular from center O on chord BC. On chord BC. So this perpendicular, you know the property, this perpendicular will divide the line BC. This perpendicular will divide the line BC. Means B, suppose it is a P, then BP is equal to BC. These are basic concepts. Correct? And now the purpose is, if it is in a triangle PCO, in a triangle PCO, It is 90 minus alpha, and this is 90 degree. So definitely this will be alpha. And here OEF. F is 90 degree. And this is angle 90 minus alpha. If it is 90 minus alpha, so definitely this is going to be alpha. And CO is a radius. And here OE is a radius. So look here. All corresponding angles are equal to each other, and one side is also given equal to each other. It means both triangles are congruent to each other. Means triangle PCO, triangle PCO and triangle OEF will be congruent to each other. Correct? If it is a congruent, then corresponding side will also be equal to each other. It means EF is given X. So here PC will also be correct. PC will also be equal to X. Both are congruent triangles. So no, the point is very clear. If it is X, and it is given that P is a midpoint, so BP will also be X. So now it is very clear that BC is a 2x. Means we can say BC is equal to 2x. BC is a 2x. So BC is a side of a rectangle parallel to AD. So BC is 2x. So AD is also going to be 2x. And now is he? Here the question is find the sine theta. So sine theta, this x upon 2x. Is it right? Sine theta upon x upon 2x. X is cancelled. Sine theta is equal to 1 by 2. Means sine theta is 1 by 2. Sine theta is 1 by 2. So theta is 30 degree. Theta will be 30 degree. This is our answer.